Goddess Durga is worshipped as mother as per Hindu culture. The festival of Navratri, which falls during the Sharad Ritu, is celebrated by worshipping Kanyas ranging from the age of 2 to 10. As per custom, Kanyas of a specific age only are invited on each day of Navratri. Though this custom is followed in many places even today, in modern times people invite all the Kanyas on the 8th and 9th day and perform the puja. The Kanyas are worshipped by offering clothes, gifts, and food and treated as forms of Shakti. In some households, a young boy is also invited along with these Kanyas and worshipped as Lord Ganesha, the god of beginnings, and thus starts the 9-day festivities of Navratri. On the first day of Navratri, goddess Durga takes the form of Shailaputri Devi and is worshipped by inviting a 2-year-old Kanya. Goddess Shailaputri is the daughter of Himavan, the king of mountain. The Devi appears to be sitting on Nandi the bull holding a trident and a lotus. Any prasad made out of pure ghee is offered to the goddess. Goddess Durga takes the form of Brahmacharini Devi, the symbol of penance, on the second day of Navratri. She appears in a white sari with a Rudraksh mala in one hand and a kamandal in the other hand. A 3-year-old Kanya is worshipped on this day. A prasad made with sugar is offered to the goddess. Chandraghanta Devi is a third form of goddess Durga who adorns a half moon on her forehead. She is armed with all kinds of weapons in her 10 hands to fight the demons. A 4-year-old Kanya is worshipped on this day. Payasam or kheer is offered as prasad. Kushmanda Devi is the fourth form of goddess Durga with 8 hands and is known as Ashtabhuja Kushmanda Devi. She is the creator of the universe, the Brahmand, and the goddess of the cosmic egg. 5-year-old Kanya is worshipped on this day as a form of the Devi. Malpua is supposed to be offered to Devi as prasad on this day. Skandamata Devi is the fifth form of goddess Durga with Lord Kartikeya or Skanda, her son, sitting on her lap. A 6-year-old Kanya is invited and worshipped on the 5th day of Navratri. Bananas are offered as prasad to the Devi. Katyayani Devi, the slayer of demons like Mahishasur, is worshipped on the 6th day of Navratri. A 7-year-old Kanya is worshipped as Katyayani Devi, the goddess of power. She symbolizes the warrior form of goddess Parvati. Any preparations made with honey can be offered as prasad to the Devi. Kalaratri Devi is the 7th form of goddess Durga, who sheds her natural beautiful skin and turns totally black to scare away demons. Her third eye holds the entire universe in it. She rides on a donkey carrying sharp weapons and hair let down. An 80-year-old Kanya is worshipped as a form of Devi on this day. Sweets made of gur or jaggery are offered to the goddess. Mahagauri, also called as Ashtami Durga, is worshipped on the 8th day of Navratri by inviting a 9-year-old Kanya. She is the goddess of beauty and women. Any preparation made of milk is offered to the Devi. On the 9th day, goddess Durga takes the form of Siddhidatri Devi. The Devi is seen sitting on a lotus. She bestows supernatural powers to her devotees. On this day, a 10-year-old Kanya is invited and worshipped as a form of the Devi. Til or sesame seeds is the main ingredient in the preparation of the prasad.
प्रथमं शैलपुत्री च द्वितीयं ब्रह्मचारिणी तृतीयं चन्द्रघण्टेति कुष्माण्डेति चतुर्थकम् पञ्चमं स्कन्दमातेति षष्ठं कात्यायनीति सप्तमं कालरात्रीति महागौरीति चाष्टमम् नवमं सिद्धिदात्री च नवदुर्गा
Having lived in the city of Mumbai for the past many years, we have witnessed the effervescent lifestyle of the city of dreams. What always stands out is the Mumbai culture, the way the city comes alive, irrespective of caste, creed, religion, and economic status, to celebrate festivals in its own special way. Mumbai chawls are small housing units occupied by lower and middle class families. Life in a chawl is never dull. People live an open door life with simplicity and contentment. Here is a glimpse of life in a Mumbai chawl. One grand occasion in Mumbai is the Ganesh Utsav that never fails to mesmerize with the colors and enthusiasm with which it is celebrated. The city lights up on the occasion of Ganesh Utsav. Preparations starts months before the Utsav, where people form a committee specifically for this purpose. A pandal is built to house the idol of Lord Ganesha, whose size ranges anywhere between 1 feet to 40 feet in height. The pandal is fully decorated and is always lit up throughout the duration of the Utsav, which may range between 1.5 to 10 days. The lights are never put out, and the residents take turns to be in the pandal and make sure that the festive vibes flow 24/7. Aartis are conducted 3 to 4 times a day, and prasad is offered by the residents taking turns. Many societies even organize cultural programs on this occasion. It is more of a community gathering rather than an individual household puja. After the Utsav, the Visarjan of Lord Ganesha happens with a fun-filled farewell full of dance, music and occasionally rains. The festival is more of an emotion in Mumbai rather than just a religious festival. This iconic scene from the movie Bahubali: The Beginning created quite a sensation when it released in 2015. Better late than never, we tried to recreate one of the iconic scenes from this movie. Enjoy!
101 बार और अभिषेक करो तो तुम्हारी मन्नत अवश्य पूरी होगी।
स्वामी, मन्नत पूरी हो गई तो मेरा बेटा मेरी बात सुनेगा, उस जल पर्वत पर जाना छोड़ देगा।
तो शिव की शक्ति जानती हो, तुम मन से महाकाल का अभिषेक करो तो वो तुम्हारे पुत्र को उचित दिशा प्रदान करेंगे।
माँ, तुम अपने आप को छोटी बच्ची समझती हो क्या? इतनी भागदौड़ करोगी तो क्या हाल होगा तुम्हारा? माँ मेरी बात सुनो ना, इसे तुम्हारी जगह मैं कर दूं? मान जाओ ना।
ना, शिव नहीं मानेंगे। जिसने मन्नत मानी वही पूरी करे।
स्वामी, आप और आपके शिवजी मेरी माँ की जान लोगे क्या?
पता नहीं शिव के मन में क्या चल रहा है, वो हम क्या जाने।
सांगा, तेरा बेटा क्या करने जा रहा है?
अब क्या करने जा रहा है?
जटाकटाह संभ्रम भ्रमन्निलिम्प निर्झरि विलोल वीचि वल्लरी विराजमान मूर्धनि धगज्ज्वलल्ललाट पट्ट पावके किशोर चन्द्रशेखरे रति प्रतीक्षणं मम।
कौन है वो कहाँ से वो आया, चारों दिशाओं में तेज सा वो छाया, उसकी भुजाएं बदलें कथाएं, भागीरथी तेरी तरफ शिव जी चले, देख जरा ये विचित्र माया। संतति प्रमोदमान मानसे कृपा कटाक्ष धोरणी निरुद्ध दुद्धरा परि क्वचित् दिगंबरे मनो विनोदमे वस्तुनि।
जटाभुजंग पिंगल स्फुरत् फणामणि प्रभा कलंब कुंकुमद्रव प्रलिप्त दिग्वधूके। मदान्ध सिन्धुरस्फुरत् भगुत्तरीयमेधुरे मनो विनोदमद्भुतं विभक्तु भूतभर्तरे।
अपने शिव को 1000 बार नहीं, अब हर घड़ी नहलाओ, अब तो खुश हो ना।